A tongue. A giraffe has a long tongue.
Fur. A polar bear has thick white fur.
Horns. A goat has 2 horns.
A pouch. A kangaroo has a pouch.
Wings. A parrot has colorful wings.
Where is the baby kangaroo?
It's in the pouch. Did you know that a baby kangaroo is called a joey?
This animal is an anteater. It's eating ants. How does it eat ants? It eats ants with its tongue, wings, or horns.
Let's see. It doesn't have wings. It doesn't have horns. I know! It eats ants with its tongue.
This is a polar bear. It's almost all white. What part of its body is white? The bear has white.
The bear has white fur. A polar bear has white fur so it can hide in ice and snow. This bird is flying. What does it use to fly? Unscramble the word.
Wings. The bird uses its wings to fly.
This animal has something on its head. What does it have on its head?
It has horns on its head.
Those are big horns. And those are all the words for today. Great job, everyone!